So you guys requested a lot of different laced up boxes. I saw you guys asking for the 100, the 250s, the 500s, the 750s, the 1000s again. So I went ahead and got like 3 of them at the same time. So we're gonna be doing a triple laced up Hypebeast unboxing. I know there's only 1 box, but it should have 3 boxes inside, I'm assuming, or else this entire intro is useless. So let's hope. Stay tuned.
Yeah, wanna know where I don't go, when it goes from okay to a oh no, when it goes from high five to a low blow, when it goes from all five to a solo. Let me tell you.
Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, back again with another Hypebeast mystery box unboxing. So I guess subliminal messaging works to an extent, because in that last video I put out that little blurb about, you know, getting free boxes and stuff. So what happened is Laced Up answered the freaking call, man. Came through and they decided to showcase 3 different hype boxes for you guys. 3. The values are gonna be a $100 box, a $250 box, and a $350 box, I believe. And what's even better than all of those boxes being open on one video, which is gonna be pretty cool, Laced Up is actually gonna hook up you guys with a $100 box for free. So we're gonna be doing another giveaway. You just gotta go down to the gleam.io link. As usual, it's becoming like a repetitive thing, I feel like, here. We've been doing a lot of giveaways lately because, I mean, the Ohana deserves it, man. You guys support me all the time. I try my best to hook it up for you guys. This time, though, the Laced Up Ohana comes through, and they're gonna be hooking you guys up with a $100 box. So go down to the description below, and it'll show you all the ways to enter. So go ahead and go do that now or after the video or just sometime, so you guys have a chance to get a free box. Definitely a come up, so yeah. Anyway, let's look into this. I have no idea how 3 boxes come in 1 box, so this should be interesting. And again, before we get into it, huge shout out to the Ohana at Laced Up, man. Really appreciate this, guys. Thank you. So this is for you guys. Let's take a look at what they have. So what's really cool too is, I know you guys watched that last video from Laced Up where I opened that $750 box. And what's funny is that a lot of you guys are like, the value doesn't seem like it's there. I'm doing the math, it doesn't make sense. And you know, I was kind of like on the fence too. I was like, there was profit to be made, but it didn't feel like there was a lot of profit to be made. Come to find out, Laced Up reached out and they said, hey, you know what? I watched the video and I was like, wait, where is this certain item? Because it was supposed to be in that box. So they sent it in this box for free because they know they messed up on that first box. And I've heard this story actually a lot of times, like when people missing items or they reach out to Laced Up, like, I don't see the value and stuff. The guy's really cool, he listens, and if he thinks that something was wrong with the box, he comes through, obviously. So this is from the 750 box from last video. this is cool. That's pretty interesting, man. I don't know what the value is on. Oh, it's nice, comfortable. I don't travel too often because I work a lot, but yeah. We'll see what we do with this. This is really cool. I don't mind this. Dog pillow, if anything. Nah, wait, it's too expensive. Anyway, yeah, so that's from the 750 from last video. So I guess we'll start off with the lower values and work our way up. I know a lot of you guys want to start off with the lower tier boxes, but the thing is, you get what you pay for. So if you get a $100 box, you're not going to be expecting to make $500 on that, you know? If you spend $100, you're probably going to get about $100 worth of stuff. Is that a bad value though? I don't think so. What I think it is, it's more of collection building, okay? So the 100, the 250, and the 350, although I haven't opened it, I'm assuming it's more for collection building. So if you guys want shirts for cheap, and instead of paying like those expensive prices for shipping on like reselling sites and stuff like that, you get it for a lot cheaper here. So in that term, you can like kind of build up your collection, maybe flip it down the line, maybe it gets value, you know? So let's check it out. Triple unboxing, I like this. Just see, so the 100 box, it's right there. You can see 100 kind of in that bright light. In like a mailing bag. So again, it's $100. What are you gonna expect? Like a bait tee by itself costs about $100. You're not gonna be finding super huge come-ups on these, I'm assuming. Yep, so that's it for this. It does come with 2 pieces, so we'll open the smaller one first. So we got a bit of Laced Up merch over here. It looks like a Laced Up lanyard, has their logo on there. Also a couple Laced Up stickers. So I'm guessing those are all freebies, not really adding to the box's value. We also got this Supreme, I don't know, like a shoe keychain thing. I don't know if this is from any brand or if they make these themselves, but it's kind of interesting. It's a Supreme Jordan 5 keychain, so that's interesting. We got another bait keychain. So yeah, this one's like in a blue kind of look. I don't know. These keychains are really hard to price. I really have no idea what to do with them. So I'll hopefully be putting them on the site soon. And like I said, 1 bait tee. So this one, so it's another shark tee. You can see right there, camel kind of vibe, I guess, like around the like lip areas of whatever the shark thing is. There's like that bait camel. And yeah, this one's actually not bad, in gray with the tags on. Bait tees retail, I don't know if you guys go on the site too often, but they retail for like 80 something bucks, 90 bucks sometimes, and which is insane. It's a really high retail, but the shipping to Hawaii costs like, I think like almost $30 for like 1 shirt. So again, if you look at it in that terms, you're actually saving about 20-30 bucks by getting it through a mystery box, you know? So that's what I like about this. Like I said, collection building. So I got this shirt and this keychain. I would assume these go for a little bit more than 100 bucks, but again, it's a return on investment. I actually saved money in the long run. So yeah, that's how the 100 looks. Let's check out the 250 next. So what's interesting is you see mystery box on the side and it has laced up again over here. The main box, it didn't have the branding on it. Remember when we talked about it in the last video where I said on the branding on the outside of the box when it's mailing and stuff, it's kind of sketchy? Maybe they heard your boy, cause yeah, it's in here now. Who knows? That'd be cool if I kind of affect it change that way. I don't know. Weird thoughts when you're opening a boxes. We got the signature laced up bag again. Oh, there's a lot more pieces in this one, that's for sure. 2, 3, 4. 4 in a 250 box. All right, so I'm assuming, I don't know if these are Bape only boxes. I forgot to ask about that. We gotta see. This keychain didn't come in the plastic, it's already out, but again, it's that same keychain from the last one. Couple more laced up stickers in here. Baby Milo mask, mouth mask. Oh, okay, so it is like an actual Bape like mask. I can see that mask inside, but I guess it comes in like this little bag as well where it has that Milo monkey on there. Interesting. I don't know what the value is on that. What is this? Drawstring bag, I'm assuming. This is actually a nice drawstring bag. Okay, you can see By Bathing Ape right there. I like this one. Camel vibes. Clearly Bape from far away. It definitely stands out, and that's what you want for like Hypebeast stuff. I feel like it's stuff that stands out. You know, it's very recognizable in public because that's what people care about when they buy Hypebeast stuff, is to be seen. Go figure. So that's 2 items. We got 2 left. This one is so I guess they are all Bape, which is not bad for me. Like I said, I'm getting into Bape. So this one is a white tee though. Oh, it's from the Bape 25 collection. Okay, so that collection just dropped, I think, like literally a couple weeks ago, 2 weeks maybe. 25, a bathing ape. It's just that Bape head shirt, so very plain. Last piece from the 250. This one is a By Bathing Ape tee again. Busy Works, nothing on the back. So that's it for the 250 box. If you value a Bape tee at about $100 a tee, that would make the 2 tees about 200, and then the mask and the bag, I'm sure, are way more than 50. So you guys can see over on the counter over here if the value is worth it, if it's not worth it. And again, you might not see a huge profit margin, but that's okay if you're trying to build a collection. And that's what we're trying to figure out. Are these 250s more for reselling, or are they more for building collections? So that's what I'm trying to provide to you, is just a lot of examples of what these look like. Finally, box number 3. $350 value. So supposedly the best value out of the 3. We gotta see. Alright, this one's definitely really heavy, so I'm expecting a lot of stuff in here. 1, 2, 3, and this one says bonus. Open up this last. I'm not sure what bonus means. Man, a lot of wrapping. Again, I really like the individually wrapped stuff. It gives it a sense of, you know, like premium vibe. They go through a lot of effort to wrap everything individually, so I respect that. I respect that. Another Bape keychain right here, Bape 25. This one is in red. This is another Bape mask. I don't know, it's like a colorful camo this time. The mask thing, I don't really understand the mask thing, man, but this one is what is this? Like a little memo set. So Baby Milo like notebook kind of thing, and it looks like there's like sticky notes and like little notepad stuff in there, so interesting. Another Bape 25 from the tag up here. This one's kind of cool. So they're celebrating 25 years, that's why it's called Bape 25. And then this one just has like a lot of iconic like looks and like different logos that they've had and like where their stores have been, so that's not bad, and it makes out that shape of that Bape head. It's kind of like this one. So far, Lace Up is doing really good with this. I like this stuff. Oh, okay, so 3 more stuff. Whoa, this is glossy. That is some metallic freaking, oh, and it feels like very like, oh, that's a weird feel. Bape tee, I don't know, some kind of like hologram look. Looks like another shark tee, but it's in black and it's, oh, okay, so it's like exactly the opposite of the other shirt that we got. So same design, it's just on a black shirt instead of a white shirt. So this last bonus item. Okay, so this ape thing, that's like a subset of Bape. I heard that it's like the lesser version of Bape. It's supposed to be the more like manageable pricing for people. So this is like house slippers, I'm assuming. In Hawaii, we wear like a lot of slippers all the time, and one of the things for us is we don't wear shoes in the house like ever. If you wear shoes in the house, you're very weird. So anyway, that's just over here, culture thing, I guess. I don't know. But house slippers is something that I don't really use either, just because it's not really cold over here. So this will just warm my feet up. But I like it. It's a nice touch. Thank you very much, Laced Up. So that's it for the triple unboxing. What do you guys think? 100 bucks, 250 bucks, 350 bucks. You guys want to see the looks of all the lower tier level boxes, and I think that's a pretty good look. The video is a little bit longer, but you guys got to see all of it at one time, and now you guys can make better decisions on should I buy this, should I not buy this. Again, as it went up, the $350 box, you could see higher value and maybe a better return when you sell everything. $100, you're not gonna make much. Like, if you guys do use like StockX or eBay to sell, you're gonna have to get hit with fees, and that pretty much cuts out all profit. Although, if you guys sell it in person, you can maximize your profits that way. And I hope all you guys do that, is you guys try to sell locally, you guys try to sell in person, because then you don't have to deal with fees, you don't need to deal with shipping. It really ups your value on all of your stuff, and that way you can maximize returns on these boxes. So again, be sure to enter that giveaway in the description below. Thank you again to Laced Up for providing the boxes this time around, because I was just saying that I feel like I need to up my babe game, and then they definitely came through with like all of these sick shirts and accessories and stuff. So I think that's pretty cool. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. You can go directly to their website right now, which is also linked in the description below. Check out the boxes for yourself and purchase. I believe that there's still a discount code running too. I'm not sure if it's still active. Untied 15, you guys can try it. I think that's the code. I should have checked this stuff before I do this video, man. Pretty sure it's Untied 15. If it's not, I changed it over here on the screen. I'm pretty sure it's Untied 15. Anyway, I hope you guys check them out. Really good company. Like I said, again, they try to right their wrongs if there's something wrong with your box. And I think that's one of the best things, is their communication is on point, and overall just really good people over there. So thank you guys again at Laced Up. Thank you guys for watching. And until next time, stay humble, stay blessed. Take care, guys. I'll see you. Aloha. Shoots!